Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you can log into the Instagram account you want backup codes for. This is essential. Once logged in, make sure two-factor authentication is active, either SMS or an authenticator app, because backup codes are tied to 2FA. Open the Instagram app, go to your profile, tap the menu, and access settings, then security. Do this now. Having your phone nearby speeds the process and prevents interruption when Instagram asks to verify your identity. Once done enabling two-factor authentication, go to Security and choose Two-Factor Authentication, then select Backup Codes. Instagram will display a set of one-time codes, typically 5 or 10, meant for account recovery. You should save them immediately, screenshot only if secure, write them on paper, or import into a password manager. Make sure to store them in at least 2 secure places, so you can access a code if you lose your phone or cannot receive 2FA messages. When you cannot access your primary 2FA method, use one of the backup codes at the login prompt. Each code is single-use. If you run out or suspect compromise, return to the same backup code screen and regenerate a fresh set, invalidating previous ones. If a saved code does not work, make sure you typed it exactly and that you saved the most recent set. If problems persist, use Instagram's account recovery flow and prepare ID verification. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Regenerate codes only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.